Okay, look at the diagram. We construct triangle SHR and SVU. First we observe there, so which is vertex common? Now vertex S is common in both triangle names. So that is why we directly draw diagrams. Now, so first we draw triangle RSH, then we draw triangle USV. So in this way we draw again their triangles. Look at the boards. First we draw is a SH. So what is the length of SH? SH is a 4.5 centimeter. So SH length is a 4.5 centimeter. Okay. First using their compass. Now we are using compass. Then find out your answer. Now look at here. First draw a SH. SH is a, what is SH? SH is 4.5 centimeter. We try to solve step by steps. Now look at the boards. We know that we draw a SH. Write down there again. There is a SH. We also know that S vertex is common. जो vertex common असतो तो नेहमी या कोपऱ्याला ठेवायचा. SH is a 4.5 centimeter. SH is a 4.5 centimeter. Okay, next. So we count their distance. There is a 4.5 centimeter in this way. Ask police. Okay. So my work is rough. What is their distance? We try to understand in there. SH is a 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Next, take a distance in your compass. Take a distance in your compass. So there is a 4.8 centimeter. There is 5.2 centimeter. Now look at the boards. Now take a distance in your compass is a 4.8 centimeter. So take a distance in your compass 4.8 centimeter, right? 5.8. So 5.8 centimeter. Take a distance in your compass 5.8 centimeter. Look at here also 5.8 centimeter. Again, so yes, there is a 5.8. The distance is 5.8. Again, take distance 5.2 centimeter. It's very easy. There is 5.2 centimeter. Write down there again. There is a 5.2 centimeter. Okay. We must draw a diagram here again. So that is why we are easily understanding their diagram. We must draw first triangle. So there is a triangle first. So it's form of a first triangle. The triangle is the name of triangle is RSH. RSH. Okay, are you done? Write down the click first. Next, less than 90. Less than 90. So make a angle if there is less than 90. The angle is, we know that, less than 90. So you will take also 60, 70, anyone. The last one is. Next question. Take a distance in your compass approximately. So there is a 2 centimeter, approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Take a distance in your compass 1.5 to 2 centimeter. So make us, so which is largest? Make us 5 parts. So there is a 5 parts. Write down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is last is 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that. Write down there. Yes 1, yes 2, yes 3. Yes 4, yes 5 parts. Look at the boards. We also know that SH sorry, S here join three parts. So S here join the part 3. So look at also. So S here join part 3. Okay, we know that we join the SH part 3. Next, we extend the SH. Last one is we extend the SH. We know that SH join part 3 R3 S3. So there is a S3. Okay, are you done? We try to solve the next steps again here. So the next steps is look at the boards. Okay. Next steps. Make approximately 2 centimeter distance in your compass. S3 or compass. Look at board. We put compass on S3. There is S3. Again we have taken the angle here. Take us middle angle. And the same things. We put our compass on S5. So there is a S5. Are you done? Next one is we count the distance here again at that place. Make a star heading there. So count the distance at that place and make a star. Look at it. We put compass in this place. Now again same distance we are putting at this place. So look at it also. Now again we draw here. So we must draw a parallel line. So look at it also. So two lines are parallel. How many lines? We know that we get two lines are parallel. So there is a first line and we know that second line. So there is a two lines are parallel. So these two lines are parallel. Next one is okay. So we know that again we draw a second. We must draw a second. There is a H. We putting at the place again. So there is a first. Okay. Again this distance we are putting at the V. So we get the taking as the same distance. Now we know that we count the distance again here. We count the distance here again. We must draw. It's very easy. So we are putting here again. We must draw second. So we must draw a similar triangles. So there is a which triangle are similar. So there is a triangle first. We know that triangle second are similar triangles. Means first triangle is a SHR and second triangle is a SVU are similar triangles. So we give a name as a name SVU. There is a SVU and the first triangle RSH and triangle SVU. We draw a triangles. So this is 4 marks question. So we know that already asking this question in board exam. So we get a 4 marks. It's very easy questions. Okay. We must draw it. We have 5 many times. Okay, you must take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this diagram. Quick, fast. Yes. Are you done? Anyone? Two minutes. Look at the boards. We are learning here the second question. So second question is in triangle PQR, similar triangle PMN. We also know that P is in both triangle. So vertex P is a common. Which vertex common? P vertex is common in both triangle. So that's we know that we directly draw a diagram. The first triangle is a PR upon PR. So which is larger side? PR is a larger side. So outer side triangle is a PQR because PR is a side of outer side triangle and PN is a smaller side. So there is a PN is a inner side. So that's why triangle PNM, triangle PRQ. But we always know that which is common vertex, P is common vertex. So write down there in these sides. So its corner place we write down there P is a common vertex. Always remember. First write down here P vertex at the common place. So there is PN, PR. Okay, now we must draw in there. We try to understanding the whole concept here. Now, okay. So PR is a 6 centimeter. We write down there again. There is a PR is a 6 centimeter. So PR is a 6 centimeter. My work is rough. Look at here. I taken a PR is a 6 centimeter. So there first we draw PR is a 6 centimeter. First step by steps we are drawing here. So that is why PR is a 6 centimeter. Anyone? So the length of PR is a 6 centimeter. Now we know that PQ is a 4 centimeter and there is a QR is a 5 centimeter. Take a distance in your compass. It is very easy. Now look at your boards. So PQ, what is the length of PQ? First take a distance in your compass. So first take a distance in your compass 4 centimeter. We must draw 4 centimeter distance in your compass. So there is a 4 centimeter. How much distance? We have taken here again the 4 centimeter. Take a distance. We know that the distance between, so there is a P and Q. P and Q is a 4 centimeter. Now again look at here. There is a 4 centimeter. Next distance in your compass is a 5 centimeter. Okay. We are drawing here 5 centimeter. It is very easy. Now there is a R point. There is a 5 centimeter. There is 5 centimeter. Next one is. It's very easy. So we know that. So that's why we write down there again. There is a first. Now second is a. There is a second. There is a second. So there it's form of a triangle PQR. First taken as a 4 centimeter. Second is a QR. QR is a 5 centimeter. Write down there again. There is a 5 centimeter. Now look at the boards. Okay. Are you done? Anyone? Yes. Okay, now we make angle less than 90 degree. So there is angle is less than 90. Okay, now we have complete here again angle less than 90. Now second tips. We know that. Look at the boards. So PR is a 5 and PN is a 3. So we make a 5 parts of this line. How many parts? 5 parts. Take a distance in your compass 1.5 centimeter. Okay, there is approximately. So now again write down there. Look at here. There is a 1. Again 2. Next is a 3. Next is a 4. The last one is a 5. We know that we are given there is a place right down there P1, P2, P3, P4 and the last one is a P5. Again, so P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Are you done? Next steps. We know that PR joined to the 5 parts means PR joined to the P5 and PN joined to the P3. So there is a PR joined to P5. So look at here also PR joined to P5. So that's why I write down there again. Look at the boards. So PR, which segment? So there is a segment PR, line PR joined to part P5. Are you done? Next one is, look at the next question. Look at the next steps. Okay. So put compass on P5. P5 or compass device. Next we know that. So there is a first put compass on P5. Take a distance as first target is a P3. Again put compass P3. Same distance. So we must draw again. There is a second one is. Are you done? Okay. Look at the boards. Again we count the distance. Put compass with P3. Take distance between P3 and P4. So first we draw again here. Again we have put the compass P3. Same distance. Next time we draw again here. We count the distance between both of. So we count the distance at the place. So there is a first arc we draw. We count the distance here again, there in this arc. Again we count the same distance we are putting there. So we must draw a parallel line. We always remember we draw a parallel line. Now look at boards. So these are parallel lines. Now we know that the lines are parallel. We try to use again there. The lines are parallel. So given name is there is a N. Now the next step is put compass at the point R. Put compass at the point R. So next step is there same. Okay. Take a distance between N R in your compass. Make a sign. Same distance we are putting at the N point. So there is a N points. Again we know that same distance we are drawing here again. We count the distance at that place. We count the distance at that place. Again we know that there is a N. Again we are putting at the place of the N. Now it is very easy. And understanding the whole questions. Now we decide here again. There is a second question. So there we write down there the triangle. There is a PMN. Triangle PMN. And second triangle is a PQR. So we draw triangle PQR and the second triangle is a PMN in this way. Okay. Next one is. So we have only 5 minute times. You try to solve question as yourselves. Okay, take a screenshot. You will take a screenshot. Okay, are you done? So we have